Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. If your Google Play Store is not auto updating apps, what should we do? In this video, I will tell you the solution. First of all, open Play Store and now simply tap on top right corner of your mobile profile. Here you will see the option of setting. Tap on it and after that you have to tap on network preferences. Here is the next option will open auto update app. Tap on it and it must be on first one. Update all apps over Wi-Fi or mobile data. It is on. And after checking this, you have to simply go back and now open setting. And here you have to scroll down to apps. Tap on it. And now you have to tap on manage apps. Here you will see the option of Google Play Store. You have to simply scroll down and find out the Google Play Store and tap on it. And now is the next option storage. Tap on it and after that you have to clear your cache. First of all you have to tap on cache and after that you will see the option of clear data. You have to simply tap on it and you have to clear your cache. After that your problem will be solved. And if this is not working for you and you have to do next option, go in Play Store again and here you have to tap on profile and after opening profile is the next option setting. Tap on it and here is the last one option about. Tap on it and now you have to tap on Play Store version and check you are running your latest Play Store version, and if it is not latest you have to update it to latest version and or your problem will be solved. If this video is helpful for you, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel for more quick videos.